We have with us a very, very fit-looking Tushar Kapoor here in Pattaya on the sets of Mastizade. A huge pleasure to have you back on Bollywood Hungama, first of all, Tushar.
Thank you. Yeah, we haven't spoken on Bollywood Hungama for I think couple of years. Last time was in Delhi for Dirty Picture. Yeah, I think shootout at Dirty Picture के लिए.
Shootout at Varala, that was last year.
Yeah, that was last year. So उसके लिए I think दिल्ली में मिले थे.
No, we met in your office in Mumbai, in Juhu.
अच्छा वहाँ में हाँ.
Shootout at Varala.
But I think दिल्ली में भी Kingdom of Dreams में मिले
That
थे.
was for
Dirty Picture, yes.
Something about your look right now. You've trimmed up. I believe you're doing a lot of CrossFit training.
Yeah, I've been doing CrossFit. So that's helped me a lot. यहाँ पर तो वैसे कार्डियो ही कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि my trainer is not with me.
Right.
तो healthy food and cardio से ही काम चला रहा हूँ.
Right. Okay, and something about Mastizade. You've done adult comedies in the past, so how different is Mastizade for you compared to what you've done in the past?
I think Mastizade is a step ahead of the adult comedies that I've done before. Step ahead in the sense कि अगर आपको adult comedies पसंद आएंगी तो मस्तीज़ादे आपको क्या कूल है हम और मतलब सुपर कूल है हमसे ज़्यादा ही मस्ती कराएगी. तो that's the only different part. Otherwise it's a PNC film. It's not a Balaji film because I did Kya Cool Hai Hum with Balaji. So that's a first for me also. And with Milap Zaveri, yeah, who's a good friend of mine and who's written some very good comedies. So it's his first adult comedy. So it's a very fresh package, but taking the whole genre a step further, making it raunchier, more good looking, and more today.
I still remember for Shooter at Vadala interview that we did. So all your co-stars in the movie, be it Anil Kapoor or be it Sonu Sood, all of them, they had a lot of fun just teasing you with Sunny Leone because Sunny Leone was part of Leela.
Yes.
Tushar has a lot of thing for Sunny Leone. Now you're doing a movie with her properly.
Yes, it's such a coincidence कि उस time I remember कि सनी की डेट्स का इशू हो रहा था लैला गाने के साथ विद आवर फिल्म ओनली रागिनी. तो आई फॉर्स्ड my sister, I said that you must take Sunny in Leila. I mean, just as a suggestion, because I think she'll create quite a lot of buzz for the film, and that's what happened. And now, coincidentally, Milap, post Ragini, he offered Sunny only this film and offered me the film at the same time in a matter of couple of days, and we met at the success party of Ragini, and it just happened that there Sunny, me and Milap we met and we said okay fine, we're going to consider this a movie, and 2-3 दिन में हम दोनों आ गए इस फिल्म के अंदर. So I think it's just सब लिखा होता है, सब destined होता है क्या होने वाला है. And even before Kya Cool 3 has been planned, Mastizade got planned. So I think.
No, but my question was that you have a thing or two for Sunny Leone in terms of you're fascinated with her.
I have many things for her.
Okay,
Not just a thing of.
Please elaborate.
No, I wouldn't like to elaborate that on television, but I think she's just basically I think she's a gift to the industry, yeah. Because there are very few actors and actresses who have the guts to do all kinds of movies like Mastizade and take it as okay, this is make believe and I'm going to play my character convincingly. So she's somebody who's gorgeous, who's hot, and who's loved by the people, the masses. And she doesn't really look down upon any kind of movie. She takes every kind of film, as a film, as a make-believe world, and gives it her best. So I think that's a very, very positive and broad-minded approach. I really like her attitude towards her work.
Right.